Oh God, it's so tasty. I get so much tempted that I made it coffee. Hello beautifuls, how are you today? I'm back with yet another pack, and it is basically a DIY pack, and you can make it at home. This is a coffee scrub. You can not only just use it on your face. In winters, होता क्या है that your body tends to get dry too much, so you need something to exfoliate that dryness and then apply a moisturizer on top of it. So I'm doing the same. I got this coffee mask for you that you can apply literally on all of your body, and it improves the blood circulation basically. That gets your body that glow, and इसमें जितने got it. So I'm gonna leave it on for like 20 to 25 minutes, and I did cleanse my face before that, and I use raw milk and some coconut oil to cleanse my face. And now I'm gonna share with you guys how I make this pack. It's very easy. You need 1 teaspoon of coffee, coconut oil, brown sugar, raw milk, and honey, and basically combine all these, mix it until it gets into a smooth paste. While I'm making this paste, I'm gonna share with you guys that coffee is itself inflammatory, and it calms down the redness and dryness of your skin that caused from the winter, and it is very good pack for under eye dark circles. It exfoliates and removes dead skin and brighten up the dull skin. So it brightens the complexion, and it is an excellent antioxidant that repairs damaged dull skin that caused by the environment. क्योंकि सर्दियों में आपकी skin जो है वो इतनी dry हो जाती that you have to put extra moisturizers on your skin, and this mask is excellent to apply especially in the winters. साथ में आप कॉफ़ी पी भी सकते हैं और इसको फेस पे लगा के enjoy भी कर सकते हैं, and it actually slow downs the aging process, and it is that is caused by the DNA damage. And do you know guys that our body has special kind of fat that is called cellulites, and they are not easily dissolved even if you exercise daily. So coffee is an excellent component to even dissolve that kind of cellulite. Okay guys, ये पैक जो है वो मैंने तकरीबन 20 to 25 minutes के लिए dry होने दूंगी. So I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. I wash it off. It was a kind of it looks messy, but it was not messy. वो सारा dry हो गया था, and it was not sticking to anything else. But coffee किसको अच्छी नहीं लगती है, and coffee everyone knows the benefits of coffee. और coffee से ज़्यादा मुझे तो उसका taste इतना अच्छा लग रहा था, मुझे तो उसकी smell इतनी अच्छी लगी थी. Like it was literally giving me butterflies, and I was really in the good mood after putting that mask. And after that, I'm just gonna put this cocoa butter moisturizer I have, and that's it. I'm just gonna moisturize my face with it. Just let you know guys that I have nothing put on my face, and it's really good, and I do want you to try it on. It's basically a herbal mask, so it's not that it's not one night product, so you have to keep using it. Or मैंने भी यही किया है. I put the rest of it in this little container, and I am gonna put this mask after every 2 days. So that's it. Hope you like my video. Thanks for watching.